life is full of bumps, potholes, twists, and turns. There are constant battles that you will fight and lessons you will learn. How I've been helped along the road, I didn't realize until now. There were times I didn't see the signs, but there was someone to show me how. How to grow, how to live, and even how to love. We had our laughs, had our cries, and even shared some hugs. Throughout the years with my friends, we all grew up as one, but there is still a road ahead. Our grow up isn't done. Soon the road ahead will split and we'll go off our separate ways. We won't forget the road behind, but we have to grow up someday. It's time for you to choose your road and grow up on your own. I realize now as we're getting older, we have to let go of each other. But when you need me, I'll be there, the one lone little star, lighting up a path for you no matter where you are. Now we see the path ahead with all its twists and turns. We look forward to who we'll become, not forgetting who we were. Thank you.